Right, so it's been a little bit of time since I've had a chance to do any of the build on the Plasma Edge. Had a little bit of RC withdrawal, so now I'm going to try and get back into it. So where are we? Just a quick reminder. Last time we were messing around building some of the shock absorbers. We've got the buggy as it is. So tonight's challenge is to try and fit the front shocks, which you may remember kind of in this state last time we saw each other. So I've laid out the bits here, and then once the front ones are fitted, we'll move on and build the rear and hopefully get those attached to the buggy. Okay, so the spring's been fitted. Now really nice firm pushback. Got to grease up a couple of screws and then fit it on the buggy. One of them I've already done, so here we are. You can kind of see that there, which is quite nice. So I'll fit the other. So here we are, front shocks both fitted. Try and give you a little view of this working. Looks pretty nice. So move on to the rear. So the rear are pretty much assembled in the same way as the front. I've laid most of the bits and pieces out here. I've already built one of them already, but so I'm just going to go ahead and build the other one in stages so you can see how that was done. So what we're looking at here is basically step number 23. Next thing to do is fill this up with oil and get rid of the air bubbles. Oil is now in, so you just need to work out all the air bubbles. Okay, so this is the fourth shock absorber. The camera's not focusing very well. You can see it's not quite full up to the top, and I am actually totally out of the oil. So I thought it was going to be tight. That's not good because that'll be air in it. I'm hoping I've got some somewhere that I can use. So here we are from the archive. This is the oil that actually came with the Monster Beetle all those years ago. I think it's going to be okay. It says soft. The stuff that comes with the kit is also soft. Here's the bottle. You can see cost cutting. Look at the size, the different size bottles you get from a Monster Beetle 20 odd years ago to this one now. Hopefully should work out fine though. In the end, managed to just about get enough out of that bottle that came in this kit. Didn't have to use much of the oil from the Beetle, but there we go. 2 shocks. Last thing to do is to put them on the rear of the car over here. So that'll be the last step for tonight. That'll be step number 26. Rightio, so there we have it. Here are the rear shocks on. Working nice. Here's what she's looking like at the moment. Front shocks on, all the gear systems fitted, motor, drive shaft, main gearbox, and the rear. So next steps when we get to it, number 27 is attaching steering linkage, and then there's some stuff about electronics. So I'll be opening the remote control. Some notes down here on the steering servo. And then not far to go really. I need to buy some paint. That's something I've got to sort out. But what did I say? How many steps were there? Only 35, so I'm picking it up on 27 next time, so not far to go.